So today we will discuss the minimum spanning tree MST, T for a given graph, G with the set of vertices capital V and set of edges capital E. And the minimum spanning tree will be the minimum cost spanning tree T with the set of vertices equivalent to set of vertices in graph, that is capital V, and set of edges uh, will be equal to number of vertices in given graph minus 1. Okay, that is E dash. Okay, so this is the first property of minimum spanning tree, that set of edges, the number of edges in the MST is number of vertices in the given graph minus 1, and it does not have any cycle. Okay, so whenever we are given undirected uh, weighted cyclic graph and we need to find out the MST of that graph, then the tree does not have a cycle with all number of vertices given in the graph and number of edges equal to number of vertices minus 1, and it should not create any cycle, and the weight of the tree should be minimum among all spanning trees. And if the weight of edges are similar in the edges set, okay, then we may find more than one MST. That is why the minimum spanning tree may not be unique. Okay, so this is all about minimum spanning tree. So you can understand it by this example, that if you are given a graph A, B, C, D like this, okay, then the total spanning trees you will find are 3 spanning trees. Okay, so first is first spanning tree which has all the vertices containing in it but no cycle. And the same thing we found in all the patterns, but the weight, total weight of the tree may be different. So for pattern number 1 and 2, in this example 1 have the total weight 5, and the third spanning tree has a total weight 4, so it will be taken as the minimum spanning tree solution. Okay, so here you can find out that the weights of edges are similar for AC and BC and CD and AB, but you find out the unique spanning tree here. But in another example where two edges have the similar weights, we have 2 minimum spanning trees with the same weight 4. So for this example 2, in which AB is 2, AC is also 2, BC is 1 and CD is 1, the pattern number 2 and 3 will give you the MST with the minimum weight of the tree equivalent to 4. So this is all about the minimum spanning tree of a graph which does not have cycle. An example of cycles are given here like this, okay, in triangle and in rectangle. Okay, so now we will learn that how can we find out MST for a given graph. So for that purpose, we study the Kruskal algorithm. Okay, so in Kruskal algorithm, we find out the minimum spanning tree or make the MST edge by choosing the minimum cost edge each time among the remaining vertices which does not create cycle. So let T in the set of edges selected so far, then each time Kruskal algorithm select an edge E to include an MST from non-decreasing order of edges with respect to weight, such that inclusion of edge E, T union E doesn't make cycle, and this can be achieved using disjoint sets of vertices. That is, if edge E is equal to UV has different disjoint sets for vertices U and V, then we can include this edge UV in the MST because it will not create cycle mathematically. Okay, and it should minimize the cost of T by adding the weight of that edge. Okay, and it can be achieved by choosing the minimum cost edge from the remaining edges. Okay, so for doing this we will need the function make set v. So for the Kruskal algorithm, we will take edges as a sorted order with respect to non-decreasing weight of edges from given graph GVE and set of vertices as given in the graph V. Okay, so initially we will make a disjoint set for each vertex V. So for the example 2 we studied earlier, by observation we have found the minimum spanning tree. Now we will try to find out by using algorithm. So initially we will take MST T is equal to phi or null and make the disjoint sets, different disjoint sets for all the vertices A, B, C, D. So A is a disjoint set, vertex B has different disjoint set, and so on for C and D. Now in step 1, we choose the minimum cost edge weight and we number the sequence in which we are going to choose the edges from minimum weight to maximum weight. Okay, so here it is dependent on the solution provider to choose CD as the first edge or BC as the first edge. Similarly, AB as the third edge or AB as the fourth edge, because AB and AC both have same weights. Okay, so first in this example we have chosen first CD with the minimum weight 1. So C and D are in different disjoint set, you can see. So we will include this in the MST T. Okay, so initially T was phi, so phi union CD will give you the CD in the tree T. Okay, and now we will union the set of C and set of D in the disjoint set. So now 4 disjoint sets converted into the 3 disjoint sets, in which third set has vertex C and vertex D. Okay, so now the second edge BC is taken into the consideration. So can we choose it in the MST or not? So by observation we can see that it is not creating cycle, but mathematically it can be understand by the stupid machine computer using disjoint sets. Because B and C are in different disjoint set, then a stupid machine computer can understand that it will not create cycle and it can be included in the minimum spanning tree T. Okay, so similarly AB also can be included. Okay, and again we will include this age, and then after inclusion we will always union the set of vertices of the including edge. Okay, so here AB is included, the set of A is and set of B will be union. Okay, so now only one disjoint set remaining, which contains all the vertices A, B, C, D. So now in the fourth step, if we try to find out whether we can include edge AC or not, okay, so we can easily find out that set of A and set of C are the same, which is only the remaining disjoint set ABCD. Okay, so it will create cycle to include this edge AC. So T will not be modified. So the finally T has the edge CD, BC, and AB. So CD, BC, and AB is the pattern number 2, and with the weight, total weight 4, with the total weight 4, and it satisfies the property number of edges in the MST is number of vertices given in the graph minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3 is equal to 3. And here if we consider uh, AB, uh, AB after AC, then it may give you the another solution. So MST is found using this algorithm may not be unique, and this is a property of MST also, that they may not be unique, and there is no cycle in the MST. Okay, so now you will make both the MSTs that can be found by using this algorithm. So this is all about Kruskal algorithm, and in the exam you need to do it like this. Don't just bold the minimum weight edges without cycle. You must tell the examiner that how cycle can be avoided by using disjoint sets. Okay, so this is all about MST using Kruskal algorithm. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning and implement after learning. Each and everything you learn, you must digest. All the best and stay safe.